In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall PDFescape. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to close down your PDFescape app like this, stop right, and then I'm not going to save this because I don't have to, and then you want to go to the bottom, go to the search box here inside your Windows computer, and you want to type in installed apps, okay? Now, when you do this, click on the installed apps under system settings, and from here, when this opens, you want to search for PDFescape, so type in PDFescape. There we go. As you can see, here's PDFescape Desktop. Just click on those three dots to the very far right where it says More Options. Click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall again. This is going to ask for your admin permission in case you're not on the admin user of your PC. And then here you have three options. I'm going to click on Remove to actually remove this from my computer. And then I'm going to click on Next again. And there we go. You can go ahead and select if you want to automatically close everything or not. I'm going to automatically close them. Click on Next. And there we go. It's going to start closing and uninstalling everything. And whenever that's done, you'll just get a pop-up that it's done. And you'll see that the program is no longer on your computer. So usually this takes a few seconds, up to a few minutes, and it's going to do everything for you automatically. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.